You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is turning, changing each day. With Mommy and Daddy, I'm finding my way. Growing up is not so tough, except when I've had enough. But there's lots of fun stuff. I'm Caillou. Caillou, Caillou, I'm Caillou. That's me.
Something for everyone.
Caillou, wait for us. We're meeting everyone at 3 o'clock, honey. We've got lots of time.
Caillou just couldn't wait. He was excited about playing with all his friends in the park.
Huh?
This sign says that the park is closed today.
Why, Mommy?
Oh, they're putting fertilizer on the grass. It makes it grow better.
Hi, Clementine. We can't play in the park. It's closed. Oh, no.
Everyone was disappointed. Caillou still wanted to play with his friends.
Mommy, can everybody come to play at our house, please?
Well, the backyard will be pretty crowded. But sure, they could come over.
Yay! Race ya! Let's build a sandcastle.
Caillou really wanted his special sandcastle bucket. But he knew that when friends come over, you have to share.
There's only 2 shovels. We can take turns. Watch out, Jeffrey! This is no fun.
Caillou's friends didn't seem to be having much fun.
I'm gonna play on the swing.
Caillou wanted to keep working on the castle.
Can I go on the swing now? No. We didn't get to play in the sandbox. We have to take turns. It's no fair. We just got on it. Mommy, I want everybody to go home now.
What's the matter? Aren't you having a good time?
They don't want to take turns on the swing.
How about if you think of a game that everyone can play together?
Caillou knew a game that everyone would like.
Do you want to play frozen tag? Okay. Yeah! Sure. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more.
Caillou was happy that all his friends were having fun together.
I thought you guys might need a little snack.
Yum! Thank you.
When you're finished, it'll be time to go home.
No! Mommy, we want to play some more.
Tomorrow the park will be open again. You'll see each other there.
Yay!
Skating lessons.
Hi, Caillou. What are you doing? I'm flying an airplane. My daddy and I made it. Why do you have your skates? Your mom is giving me a ride to my figure skating lesson. You can't skate in the summer.
Caillou, would you like to come along for the ride?
Yeah!
Hold on, Caillou. You better put this on. It's cool where we're going.
Caillou's mommy was right. Even though it was warm outside, inside it was cool and frosty.
Ooh! Mommy, It's like winter inside. I'll see you guys on the rink. Why are they wearing ice skates indoors, Mommy?
Because this is a skating arena. People can skate here all year long.
Does the ice melt in the summer?
No, this is special indoor ice. Come, I'll show you.
Caillou was amazed. He had only seen ice outside in the winter.
Caillou, why don't you come out and skate with me after my lesson? I only skated once before. They have lessons here. You can learn all sorts of neat stuff. Watch. Wow! I'll see you after class, okay? Mommy, could I skate like Sarah if I took lessons?
Of course. Would you like to come back for a class?
Yes, please.
A few days later, Caillou was ready for his first skating lesson.
Hello, you must be Caillou. I'm George, your skating instructor.
Hello. I already know how to skate.
That's great. We're gonna have lots of fun then. Don't forget your helmet.
Okay.
All right, who wants to learn how to skate?
Me too.
Then come out here with me.
Are you coming, Mommy?
I don't have my skates, but I'll be right here the whole time.
You know, learning to skate is a little like learning to walk. And sometimes... What?
You fell down.
Sometimes I do. But that's okay, because I get right back up. Okay, I want you all to kneel like me. You just lift one foot, push up, and bring up the other foot. It's easy, see? Beautiful. You're learning already. The next part is easy. We just walk between the cones and back to the carpet. Caillou, would you like to be first?
I learned to skate with a chair.
You won't need one. You'll see. Just walk over to me.
Whoa!
That's all right. Now get up, like I showed you. Great job, Caillou. Now everyone. And now back to the carpet. You too, Caillou.
Caillou was getting discouraged. Skating was harder than he expected.
That's all right, Caillou. You'll get the hang of it. Let's practice some more, okay? How did you like your first lesson, Caillou?
My pants are wet from falling so much.
Yes, but you took the first steps to learning how to skate today. And that deserves a special sticker for your helmet. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Mommy, how come I'm not as good as Sarah?
Oh, it takes practice, sweetie. I'm sure it took Sarah a few lessons to get as good as she is now.
I don't want to come back tomorrow.
Don't be discouraged. This was only your first lesson. Things will get better. You'll see.
Wow! Look at the truck, Mommy. It's driving on the ice.
It's called a Zamboni. See the water it leaves behind? It's making a fresh new layer of ice. What happened to your plane, Caillou?
It's not a plane. It's a Zamboni. I'm making ice. Beep, beep.
You better park it for now. We'll be late for your skating lesson.
Do I have to?
How about you give it another try? If you still don't like it, then you don't have to go. We could stay to watch the Zamboni afterwards.
The Zamboni? Yahoo!
Hello, Caillou. I'm glad you came back today. Raphael is new. Maybe you can help her catch up.
Don't worry. I fall all the time too, but I know how to get up. Ready?
I can tell you'll make a very good teacher, Caillou. Come on, we have some new games today. That's it for today, everybody. You all did an excellent job. See you tomorrow.
Bye, George!
Caillou had so much fun at his second lesson. He didn't ever want to leave.
Do we have to go, Mommy?
We'll be back tomorrow, Caillou. Besides, there's someone I want you to meet. Caillou, this is Henry. He drives the Zamboni.
Hi, Caillou. Your mom told me how much you like the Zamboni. Would you like to ride it with me?
Can I really?
Caillou thought that riding the Zamboni was almost as much fun as learning to skate. There was only one other thing that he wanted to do. Caillou becomes a waiter.
Look! I made a picture of Julie.
That's great, Caillou.
Caillou was excited because Julie was coming over to babysit.
Where are you and Daddy going?
We're going to eat in a restaurant.
Can I come?
Not this time, Caillou. Hi, Caillou.
Hi, Julie. Look, I made you this.
Thank you, Caillou. It's beautiful. There's a casserole in the oven, Julie. We should be home in about 3 hours.
I want to go. I like restaurants.
You're going to have a wonderful time with Julie, Caillou. And Mommy made your favorite, macaroni.
No, I'm not going to have a good time.
Bye, Rosie. Bye, Caillou.
Bye.
Bye, Caillou.
You want to help me prepare dinner, Caillou? Okay. I want to eat in a restaurant. Can you play?
I have an idea, Caillou. Why don't we make our own restaurant?
Okay, Rosie too.
Caillou was having a wonderful time. He was making a menu and a waiter's bow tie.
I wonder what's keeping our waiter.
Me too. Here I am.
It all looks very yummy, but this looks really good.
That will be 4 pennies, please. Yummy! No, Rosie. You don't like beans. You have to choose macaroni. 4 pennies, please. No. Okay, 1 penny.
Can I be the waiter now, Caillou?
Okay.
And what would you like to eat, sir?
Macaroni's my favorite.
Macaroni it is. That will be 4 pennies, sir.
I don't have any money.
If you can't pay for your meal, you have to do the dishes. But I guess we could make an exception.
No, I want to do the dishes.
All this work was making Caillou hungry.
I'm glad I didn't go to Mommy and Daddy's restaurant. I like ours better.
Sticking to it. Caillou was looking everywhere for one of his favorite toys.
Mommy! I can't find my tractor!
I'm sorry, Caillou. I haven't seen it. Maybe if you cleaned up your room, you'd be able to find what you're looking for. I'm sure you'll find your tractor once you finish cleaning up.
Okay. My plane! Look! It was under some clothes.
I bet you could use your tractor to pick up those clothes. Then maybe you wouldn't step on any of your toys again.
Yeah, I guess so.
I have an idea that might make helping out around the house fun.
You do?
First, we have to make a chart and then some stickers.
Can I color them?
Sure.
I'm going to get my crayons.
Every time you help with something around the house, you get to pick out a sticker.
Like this sticker. Sticky!
Caillou was happy with the stickers he helped Mommy make. He couldn't wait to pick out his first one.
I'm finished. Mommy, see? Uh-oh. I'll clean it, Mommy. Ha! No, Rosie.
Very good. I think you just earned your first sticker.
I'll take this one.
Now let's see. Oh, look, brushing teeth is on the chart.
Like this?
Very good. That's another sticker.
This is the sticker I want next, Mommy. It's the biggest one.
I think it's gonna take something special for that one. Can you think of something special?
I can't think of anything special, Mommy.
You know, picking up things like clothes is special. Can you think of somewhere to pick up lots of clothes?
My room! Thank you, Rosie. See, Mommy? I clean my room all by myself. Rosie, too.
This is worth a special sticker.
I like helping, Mommy.
New clothes.
Look, Mommy. I'm making my milk dizzy.
Okay, goodbye. That was Grandma and Grandpa. And guess what? We're going to their anniversary party tonight.
Party? Yay! Cake and presents! Let's go now, Daddy.
Hang on. We have the whole day ahead of us. Besides, you're not even dressed yet.
Mommy, can you help me get dressed?
I think maybe you're big enough to get yourself dressed today.
I am?
It's simple. Just choose some underwear, socks, a shirt, and some pants.
Caillou decided to pick his monkey shirt, but he liked the red one Grandma gave him too. Caillou was having so much fun picking his favorite clothes, he forgot to get dressed at all.
Are you almost ready to go play outside?
Almost ready. Daddy, I got dressed all by myself.
You sure did. Now, let's see. 2 shirts? Great job, but don't you think you might be a little cold playing outside in shorts? Maybe I'm wrong. Why don't we check outside and see?
It's warm. Ugh! Daddy, can I wear something else?
You sure can. What happened in here? A tornado?
Where?
Why don't you pick out some long pants and a sweatshirt, okay? They're sure to be a bit warmer. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay.
How are you? Where's Caillou?
He's
Here I am.
Well done. But I think you may have put your pants on backwards.
That's how I like them.
All right. Let's clean up some of these clothes, okay?
Later that evening, it was time for Caillou to get dressed into some nicer clothes.
How about wearing this? It's very nice.
Caillou listened to Mommy's suggestion, but he wanted to dress himself.
No, I want to wear this.
Okay.
Hi, Caillou. Don't you look handsome? And we heard you got dressed all by yourself.
Caillou noticed Daddy and Grandpa looked really nice in their fancy party suits. Suddenly, he wasn't so sure about his own clothes.
Daddy, can I change my clothes again?
Sure. That's the best part about being old enough to dress yourself.
Grandpa, can you fix my tie too? Daddy! My daddy shows me how to do lots of neat stuff. We like skating, except it's not that easy at first. Wow! And sometimes Daddy acts silly. But he always knows how to take care of us. When I grow up, I want to be just like my daddy.